Good morning all. Today we can discuss solving linear equations. Okay, solving linear equations means find the roots of the equation or find the solution of the equation. Okay, there are two methods for solving linear equation. First one is balancing the equation and another method is transposing method or transposition method. Balancing equation we already discussed. So when you get one question, if 5x is equal to 20, how we solve this equation using balancing method? So for balancing, we want to make the left hand side as the variable only. For that, which number here? The one number 5 is multiplied with this x. Okay, so how we can remove that 5? How we can remove that 5 from this equation? By when we divide this 5x by 5, then it will remain x only. By 5 and 5 will cancel. And one thing you want to care, which operation we are doing in one side, same operation we want to do in the other side also. Okay, so here 5 is multiplied with x. So how we can remove this 5? By dividing this equation by 5. Then we can divide. Opposite operation we can do. So this we can write 5x divided by 5 equal 20 divided by 5. How we selected 5 for division? Because here already have one 5. We want to remove this 5 to get x is equal to. Okay, so for that we are dividing 5. So what we divided here in this left hand side, same we want to be, same number we want to be divided on the right hand side also. That is balancing. Okay, so this will implies 5 and 5 will be cancelled. X is equal to 4. This way we can do all. We can find out the solution of the equation by using balancing method. Suppose another equation. If the question is x plus 3 equal 7. Okay, how we can do this? Here x plus 3. How we can remove this 3? Here 3 is added. So when we subtract in this 3, one more 3 here. So then it will remain 3 and minus 3 will be cancelled. It will remain only x is equal to. So here we subtract minus 3. So same number we want to subtract on the right hand side also. So what will be this? X is equal to, because 3 and minus 3 will be cancelled. So x is equal to 4. This already we discussed in the case of finding roots of the equation. So this is the method of balancing. Okay. So another method also there. Second method, that is transposing method or transposition method. Transposing. Normally we are using this method. Transposing method. So for that one equation, this is this type. One question we can take 3x plus 2 equal 11. How we can solve this equation? Solving means finding the value or find the roots of this equation. Roots of this equation. What means finding roots of the equation? Means find the value of the unknown variables. Here we want to find the value of x. So how we can use transposing method? That is, here in this case we want to transpose the number other than number or variable. We can transpose the numbers or variables to the other side. We can shift this other side so that to get the variable only in this left hand side. We want to leave the variable only in the left hand side. All other parts we want to shift to the other side. Okay, all other variables or numbers we want to shift to the other side. So here first two terms are there. So first term is 3x, second term constant term 2. So in this case first we want to transpose the terms other than the variable. Here which is the term other than the variable? In the first term there have one variable x, that variable have here. So next term the constant term. So first we can transpose the constant term to the right hand side. So when we transpose, here it is added. Here 2 is added with this 3x. So when we transpose or when we shift to this other side, it will be subtracted there. So what we can write? So 3x equal So first what? We are already in the right hand side. That write first. Here already 11 is there. So 11. Next shift this 2 to there. Here 2 is added. So when we shift it to the other side, it will be subtracted there. Okay, that one together. So if it is multiplied here, if suppose if 2 is multiplied here, when we transpose to the other side, it will be divided there. And if it is subtracted here, suppose the equation is 3x minus 2. Then when we transpose to the other side, it will be here minus 2. When we transpose to other side, it will be added there. That like opposite operation we want to do. Okay, when we remove, its sign will be changed. So 3x will be equal to 11 minus 2. That means 3x equal to 9. Now again here have 3. 3 is multiplied into this variable x. So this 3 also we want to transpose to other side. Here 3 is multiplied. So when we transpose to the other side, it will be divided there. Its multiplication opposite operation is division. So in this we can write, therefore x equal to 9 by 3. That means x equal to 3. This method is called transposing method or transposition method. Okay, that means the process of shifting a number or a variable, okay, to the other side by changing its sign. It is called the transposing method. Another example also, x plus 2 divided by 3 equal 13. Okay, so here first we want to transpose. There this is x plus 2 and divided by 3. This is common division for x plus 2. So first we want to shift this 3 to the other side. Okay, after that only we can shift this 2. Why? Because this 3 is commonly divided for this x plus 2 for. Otherwise, two types equation. First we can do this. In this type of equation, we want to do first want to shift this 3 to other side. So here it is divided. When we transpose to the other side, it will be multiplied there. So that we can write x plus 2 equal 13 into 3. Okay, that means x plus 2 equal 39. Next, what is remaining here? X plus 2. So when 2 also you want to transpose to other side, so that time 2 will be subtracted in the other side. That means x is equal to 39 minus 2. Okay, that means x equal to 37. This is one case. Another case, most of common mistake will happen for doing this. So all of you care. Suppose this equation is like this. X by 3 plus 2 equal 13. If this equation is like this, but this divided 3 is divided by for only x. X by 3 plus 2 equal 3. If the suppose the equation is given equation is this, how we can solve this? First, in this case, first we want to transpose 3 or 2. Which will be? First here look, here this is the first term, this is the second term. Okay, in this case, first we want to transpose 2. Because it is another term. This is another term. So first we can transpose the terms other than the variable. So this constant term we want to transpose. From these two examples you can clear that doubts. In this both case, two types of equation how we transpose. Both are different. X by 3 plus 2 is not equal to x plus 2 by 3. Both are different. So in this case, how we transpose this equation. So in this, first we transpose x by 3 equal. This 2 is transposing there. So its sign will change 13 minus 2. First we want to write the number what already have in the right hand side. That number want to write first. After that only transpose these terms. Then this will be equal to x by 3 equal 13 minus 2. It will be 11. Okay. Next we want to transpose this 3 to the other side. Here 3 is divided. So when we transpose to the other side, it will be multiplied there. This implies x is equal to 11 into 3. That means x equal to 33. From these two examples, you look different values we got for x. Same numbers here, x by 3 plus 2. Here, x plus 2 by 3. So, in this case, both how we transpose want to care well and do this type of questions using these two methods. Clear? So, this is x equal to the solution we got x is equal to 33. In this case, we got x is equal to 37. Okay, some other questions also there. You can do as homework. Okay, thank you.